Hey guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MPC001 from MBA Finance course. If you need answer of these questions, not particular this question, if you need all answers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900-936-8238, and also you can call us on our number which is showing on your screen below, and kindly subscribe our channel Encyclo Hub for further videos. So question number 4 is saying that describe the different types of managerial decisions and the steps and the techniques used for decision making, and discuss individual versus group decision making. So basically this questions is from the managerial decisions and the techniques of the decision making. So we have prepared the answer of this question of all the questions, so you can contact us without any hesitation. We will provide all the answers in a PDF. This is a paid service also. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help other related to the other course, you can contact us.